Roll by roll. Go, go. You're gonna follow off, roll by roll. It's my contraband room, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This row and this row only, follow it off. Next row, go. Hurry up, walk fast enough. Go, get in, let's go. Hurry up, let's go, get in. Get in. Go, 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 go. Let's go, hurry up.
Yes, sir. You will not pick it up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do not keep any of the following in your items. If in doubt about any items, check with the drill instructor. Guns will not be tolerated. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The direction that you are going to travel while marching. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, you're going to get 40 inches back.
Yes, sir.
Breathe.
Your drill instructor is the most visible example of what it means to be a Marine. These troops are trusting my care.
These troops are just my care. I'll check to the best of my abilities. I'll try to make them. Smart discipline. Business fit.
Basic trained Marines.
Basically trained Marines. Right now, you will treat me and all other Marines with the highest level of respect. For we have learned our places as Marines, and we said nothing less than that. Fuck you.
Gentlemen, my name is Taylor. I'm from Brooklyn, New York as well. Original invoice is 6046.
I just wonder what the psychology behind the screaming is.
For me, man, it's starting setting the pace, setting the tempo.
You're going to go past this zone, past both of those gates. You're going to go ahead and zigzag again. Ready? Begin.
No, Dave.
Ready? Keep going. Here we go. You got it. You got it. All right. One. Rest a second. Get back to 2. We got a minute. 3. 4. Yeah. You good.
Begin. Go, Cole. High crawl, high crawl, high crawl, high crawl, high crawl. Instead of going, then we're gonna zigzag. Follow me, zigzag. Follow me, zigzag. Follow me, zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag. Push the horse. Go and zigzag back. Zigzag back. Do the gate all the way straight.
And I spent my time there, and the rest is history.
When I went to school, I looked up bullet bar and everything, and recruiters. So, yeah, I just.
Relax, relax. Drop.